Hello, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So, today we are going to discuss a few more things about water. So, let's get started. Okay. So, till now we have studied that from where do we get water, isn't it? So, we get water from different sources. We have read about this in earlier classes. So, I just want to recapitulate that thing. So, we get water from well. We also get water from hand pump. We get water from lake. We get water from river. We get water from pond. We also get water from sea and spring. So these are different sources of water. So so today we're going to think about something. You must you must have thinking that where do we get the water from? जो भी पानी है, be it sea, be it river, well, pond, spring, sea, where these water are coming from? क्या ये खत्म नहीं होते हैं? खत्म होते हैं तो फिर से कैसे चले आते हैं? Where do we get this water from? So come on, can you think? Okay. So look at this picture. What are you observing from this picture? Yes, come on. Guess. Yes, these two children and a doggy is standing under an umbrella, and there is, yes, come on, tell. Yes, this is rain. This is rain. It's raining. It's raining. Okay, so we get water from all these sources that we have studied. All get water from the rain. Okay, all get water from the rain, be it lake, be it pond, be it sea or river. Okay, this rainwater fills in all lakes, ponds, sea, river, etc. ये जो बारिश का पानी है, बारिश होती है, उसी से ये सारे सोर्सेस ऑफ वाटर भर जाते हैं और फिर से हमें ये मिलने लगते हैं. So rainwater is the main source of water. Rainwater is the main source of water. That's why these ponds, rivers, sea, lake never get empty. बारिश होती है, फिर ये सब भर जाते हैं. Okay, so rain is the main source of water. जो बारिश होती है वो पानी का मुख्य स्रोत है. Rain is the main source of water. Rainwater fills in all lakes, ponds, sea, river, etc. Okay, जो बारिश का पानी है, इसी से, बारिश के पानी से ही सारी चीजें भर जाते हैं. Okay, so children, what are you looking at this picture? What are you observing? Come on, tell. Yes, this is the land. You can see this is the land and trees are there. Okay, under the earth, under the land, there is water. There is water. You can see this blue part is water. जमीन के अंदर भी पानी होते हैं. Do you know? Do you know? Come on, imagine. Okay, so rainwater sips into the ground. Rainwater sips into the ground. जब बारिश होती है तो बारिश का पानी जमीन के अंदर चले जाता है. हमारे जो जमीन होती है उस पे बहुत छोटे छोटे पोर्स होते हैं, होल्स होते हैं. तो बारिश का पानी उधर से ही जमीन के अंदर चली जाती हैं. रेन वाटर गोज इनसाइड द ग्राउंड, गोज डाउन द ग्राउंड, इनसाइड द ग्राउंड. देयर इज वाटर अंडर द ग्राउंड ऑल्सो. जब बारिश का पानी अंदर नीचे चले जाता है तो वहां नीचे में पानी आ जाता है. ये बारिश जब होता है, you can see these lines I am marking. Suppose these are raindrops. Okay, so when raindrops comes from the sky, from the clouds, they fall on the ground. वो जमीन पे गिरते हैं. And our earth or our land, the ground, have some pores or some small pores. From these pores, the rainwater goes under the ground, and the rainwater is collected under the ground. Okay, तो बारिश का पानी है वो जमीन के अंदर इकट्ठा हो जाता है. They get collected under the ground. Okay, तो जमीन के अंदर भी पानी होता है. अगर आप जमीन को बहुत खोदोगे, if you dig the ground more and more and more, the water will come out. Have you seen the underground water anywhere? You can think about it. Okay, so the water present under the ground, the water present under the ground is called underground water. Okay, the water present under the ground is called underground water. जो पानी जमीन के नीचे पाया जाता है उसे हम अंडरग्राउंड वाटर कहते हैं. अंडर मीन्स नीचे, ग्राउंड मतलब जमीन. जमीन के नीचे जो पानी मिलते हैं उन्हें अंडरग्राउंड वाटर कहा जाता है. और ये from where does this underground water comes from? Yes, come on. Yes, you guessed it right. These underground water comes from the rain. The rain falls from the sky, from the clouds. Okay, they fall on the ground, and our ground, our earth, our land have some small pores. Pores means holes, छेद होते हैं. They have small pores, and from these pores the rain water sips into the ground, goes under the ground, and where they all are gets collected in the form, they all are gets collected, and it is called underground water, and it is called underground water. Okay, okay. So in these two pictures, you are able to see that this is a well, okay, and this is a hand pump. Okay, just think from where do this well get its water, and from where the water is coming from this hand pump. क्या आप जान पा रहे हो कि कुएं में पानी कहाँ से आता है? कुएं में क्या पानी हम लोग डालते हैं? नहीं, कुएं के पास हमें नहीं जाना है. ओके, सो कुएं जो होता है, we dig the ground, we dig the dig the land more and more and more and more and more till water comes from it. Okay, हम कुएं का पानी उतना कुएं को खोदते हैं खोदते हैं खोदते हैं, जमीन को खोदते हैं खोदते हैं, डिग करते हैं डिग करते हैं डिग करते हैं, तब तक डिग करते हैं खोदते हैं जब तक पानी जमीन से निकल नहीं जाता है. एंड दैट इज अंडरग्राउंड वाटर. दैट इज अंडरग्राउंड वाटर. Okay, and these all water comes from the rain. Okay, the water that is that we get from well is underground water. Okay, this is underground water. And in the same way the hand pump, when we pump, जब हम हैंड पंप का जो लॉन्ग रॉड होता है, when we pump there is a machine which brings the underground water from under the ground to us. Okay, so underground water जो हैंड पंप होता है उसमें भी हम नीचे का पानी अंडरग्राउंड वाटर को ही यूज करते हैं. Okay, we get underground water from well and hand pumps. We get underground water from well and hand pumps. Okay, आप जो भी कुएं से पानी पीते हो या हैंडपंप का पानी पीते हो, ये सारी चीजें ये पानी जमीन के अंदर से आती है. जमीन के अंदर से पानी कहाँ कैसे आती है? Yes, the rainwater. The rainwater seeps into the ground because our ground has small pores, small holes, and from these small pores the rainwater seeps into the ground. And when we dig the ground, when we dig the land more, the water inside the ground comes out, and this water is called underground water. Okay, so from well and underground and hand pump we get underground water. Okay, okay, now let's think that how can I save rainwater. जो बारिश होती है उसका पानी को हम कैसे सेव कर सकते हैं, कैसे बचा सकते हैं. इतना पानी बर्बाद हो जा रहा है, बारिश होती है, रेन वाटर गेट्स वेस्टेड, एंड we have already studied that we should not waste water. Water is very precious, so we should save water, isn't it? So can you tell me, can you think that how can we save rainwater? Come on, come on. Yes, you guessed it right. We can collect the rainwater in the bucket, isn't it? When it's raining, then we can put our buckets or drums outside under the rain, and the rainwater will get collected in these drums, isn't it? We can collect. You must have seen that your parents or any other people will they try to collect rainwater from when it's raining. जब बारिश होती है तब आप देखे होंगे, you must have seen that people put their buckets outside when it's raining, so that the rainwater falls on the bucket and the bucket gets filled in with the water, isn't it? So we can collect rainwater in buckets and drums, isn't it? We can collect rainwater. हम rainwater को buckets means बाल्टियों और drums में इकट्ठा कर सकते हैं, isn't it? आपने देखा भी होगा कि आपके घर में भी मम्मी पापा ऐसे करते होंगे. जब बारिश होती है तो they just put their buckets or drums outside, and so that the rainwater gets filled, the buckets get filled with the rainwater, isn't it? Yes, and we can use this rainwater for many purposes, for many activities. Like we can use the rainwater, as you can see in the picture, we can use the rainwater for cleaning our car. We also can use the rainwater for cleaning our cycle. So it is used, rainwater is used for washing vehicles, isn't it? We can save water by collecting rainwater, isn't it? So we can use the rainwater for washing vehicles or our cars, our bikes, our cycles. Okay. So next, we can also use the rainwater for cleaning the floor. Look at this picture. This child is cleaning the floor with the help of this rainwater collecting in the bucket, isn't it? So we can use this rainwater for cleaning floors. ओके, हम बारिश के पानी से अपना घर भी साफ कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट है, we can also use the rainwater for watering plants, isn't it? We can look at this picture. This child is watering the plants with the help of bucket, with the rainwater that she collects in that bucket. Okay, so we can also use this rainwater for watering plants. बारिश का पानी से हम प्लांट्स को भी पानी दे सकते हैं. ओके, रेन इज द क्लीनेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर. रेन इज द मेन सोर्स ऑफ वाटर. We get this, whatever the sources of water are there, like lake, sea, river, pond, spring, well, hand pump, all these sources get water from the rain. अगर बारिश नहीं, if there is no rain, then these sources of water will get dried up. Okay, ये सब सूख जाएंगे अगर बारिश नहीं होगी तो. सो रेन इज द मेन सोर्स ऑफ वाटर. अगर बारिश नहीं होगी तो ना वहां पर ना पॉन्ड में पानी रहेगा, ना कुएं में पानी रहेगा, ना वेल, ना हैंडपंप पानी निकाल पाएगा, ना सी में पानी होगा. सो रेन इज द मेन सोर्स ऑफ वाटर. When rain falls, the rainwater gets sips into the ground. Rainwater gets sips into the ground, and the water present under the ground is called underground water. जो पानी जमीन के अंदर पाया जाता है उसे हम अंडरग्राउंड वाटर कहते हैं. और ये पानी आता कहां से है, और फ्रॉम वेयर डू दिस अंडरग्राउंड वाटर कम्स फ्रॉम? कम ऑन, टेल मी. Yes, this underground water comes from the rain. जब बारिश होती है तो हमारे जो लैंड है, ग्राउंड है, they have small pores. The rain water sips into the ground and gets collected. Okay, so and we can save this rainwater in buckets and drums also. We have seen, you must have seen around you that when it's raining, then your parents must put the buckets outside the house, and so that the rainwater gets collected and filled in the buckets, and afterwards we can use the rainwater for cleaning our cycle, our car, for cleaning the floors, and for watering plants. So rainwater is the main source of water, and we should save rainwater for different activities so that wastage of water should not be there. Okay, so let's do some assessment on the basis of this what we have learned today. So the first question is, select the option by which we get water from under the ground. Okay, select the option by which we get water from under the ground. अभी यहाँ पर 4 पिक्चर्स आएंगे. There will be 4 pictures showing up in the screen, and we have to choose the correct option by which we get water from under the ground. जमीन से नीचे से जब पानी जिससे मिलता है उसको हमें टिक करना है. Yes, observe the pictures. Yes, this is a bucket of water. This is a tank or drum. This is a dam. This is the dam. Have you seen dam? Okay, and this is a well. Okay, come on, children, tell me from where you get water from under the ground. जमीन से, जमीन के नीचे का पानी आपको कहां से मिलता है? Come on, come on. Yes, we get water. We get water from under the ground from well. When we dig the well, when we dig the land more and more and more deep, the water comes out. The underground water comes out. And from where this underground water comes? Come on. Yes, it comes from the rain. It comes from the rainwater, isn't it? Rainwater seeps into the ground and collected as underground water. Okay. So this will be well. कुएं से हमें जमीन के नीचे का पानी मिलता है, ना ड्रम से मिलता है, ना बकेट ऑफ वाटर से मिलता है. वेल से, कुएं से हमें जमीन के नीचे जो पानी रहता है वो हमें मिलता है. ओके, और एक सोर्स क्या है बताइए? यस, हैंड पंप. फ्रॉम हैंड पंप ऑल्सो, from hand pump we get underground water. Okay, so next is the true or false. Write T for true and F for false. So the first question is, ponds are the main source of water. Are ponds the main source of water? Yes, come on. This will be false. Ponds are not the main source of water. Pond पानी का मुख्य स्रोत नहीं है, मुख्य साधन नहीं है. Okay, this will be false. Second question is, rain is the main source of water. Rain पानी का मुख्य स्रोत है. Yes, this is true. Rain is the main source of water. Whatever different sources we have read, like sea, river, lake, pond, spring, well, hand pump, everything gets water from the rain. If there is no rain, then there will be no water in these sources and will not get water from anywhere. Okay, अगर बारिश नहीं होगी तो कोई भी सोर्स ऑफ वाटर हमें नहीं मिलेगा. सब जगह they will all get dried up, सिर्फ सूख जाएंगे. So rain is the main source of water. Okay. Third question is, the water present under the ground is called underground water. The water present under the ground is called underground water. जो पानी ग्राउंड के नीचे पाया जाता है, मिलता है, उसे हम अंडरग्राउंड वाटर कहते हैं. ट्रू और फॉल्स? Come on, tell me. Yes, this is true. The fourth question is, rainwater can be used for cleaning vehicles. Vehicles means गाड़ियां. Rainwater को हम गाड़ियां साफ करने के लिए इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. True or false? Yes, this is true. Rainwater, we can save rainwater in the buckets, drums. When it is raining, when it will be raining, we should put the buckets outside the water, outside in the rain, so that the rainwater gets collected in the bucket, and we can use that rainwater for cleaning our cycles, cars, for cleaning the floors, cleaning the dishes, watering plants. Okay, so by this we can save rainwater, and we can also use the rainwater for different activities, isn't it? Okay. So this is the question, the critical question, critical thinking question. We have to answer that water can be saved by which of these activities? As you can see, there's in these four pictures, water is being used. So you have to tell that in which activity we can save water more. In the first picture, as you can see, this man is cleaning his car with the help of this pipe, and look how much water gets wasted. For cleaning a vehicle, for cleaning a car, he is wasting so much water. In picture B, as you can see that this child is brushing his teeth, and his tape is open, and so much water gets wasted, is getting wasted, isn't it? So is this a good habit? Can we save water by this? क्या हम इससे पानी को बचा सकते हैं? Look at this picture, the water is getting wasted. No. In this picture, you can see in the D that this child is taking his bath, taking his shower under the shower, taking his bath under the shower. And in this also, lot of water is getting wasted. This is also not a proper way to save water. But in picture C, you can see that this child is taking his bath with the help of a bucket full of water. He will take the water to from the bucket to have his bath. Okay, so no much water is getting wasted here, because the mug which he is using is taking almost that much water and is not getting wasted. Okay, ये लड़का जो मग के साथ नहा रहा है उतना ही पानी लेगा जितना उसे जरूरत है, but in all other activities much water is getting wasted. So water can be saved by using bucket and mug during bathing. Okay, so I hope you all understand that from where do these sources of water get water from. ये sources of water जो भी हमने पढ़ा था, ये सब पानी इनका पानी कहाँ से आता है? Now you can tell that rain is the main source of water. जो बारिश होती है वही पानी सब sources of water का main source है. If there is no rain, then there will be no water. अगर पानी नहीं होगा, बारिश नहीं होगी, तो ये सब sources of water भी सूख जाएंगे. They will all get dried up, isn't it? We also saw that rainwater seeps into the ground, and the water gets collected under the ground, and this water is the water that is present under the ground is called underground water, isn't it? And then again we saw that we can save the rainwater in the buckets when it's raining. We should keep our buckets or drums outside when it's raining, so that the rainwater gets collected inside the bucket and drum, and we can use that rainwater for cleaning the cars, bicycles, for cleaning our utensils, dishes, then cleaning the floor, and we can also use the rainwater for what? For watering the plants. Okay, and water is very precious. We should not waste water, and we also saw that how water can be saved. We should not let the tap open when we brush our teeth. We should close the tap. Then after when we finish our brushing teeth, we should open the tap and clean our mouth. Okay, we should not take bath under a shower, because in shower much water gets wasted. So we should use bucket इन प्लेस ऑफ शावर. ओके, हमें बाल्टी का यूज करना चाहिए. ओके, so that's it for today, and I hope you all have learned something about how can we save water, rainwater. So that's it for today. Thank you very much.